At this point, I've set my list of patients, and now I'm ready to actually set some search terms. So I'll click on the button called Terms, and now I'm back to the main EMERSE screen. There's two different ways to enter search terms. One is a quick ad hoc way. That's if you're doing a search where you want to quickly be able to put in some search terms and make some changes. And then there's a way that's a little bit more powerful called bundles, which is at the bottom. But first, let me just show you how the search terms, the ad hoc search terms works. So the easiest way to do something is just to type in something quickly into this box. So I'll just type in the word shingles. So I type in shingles, I click on the button called Set Search Terms, and what I have here is now a single search term highlighted in yellow, and if I'm happy with that term, I can click on the button called Search. So when I click on that button, what I get here is a table. This table is the display of the different kind of documents that the system can search and the different patients I'm searching. This is a demonstration version that only has de-identified notes and only from a certain subset of our patients, of our patient notes. So for example, this is showing some fake CareWeb, radiology, and pathology reports. In the real system, it actually also searches MyChart documents, but in this demonstration version, we only have a few choices. The color palette basically is just a way to show in different colors what it found. So right now we have a blue color, but if I click on green, now things change to green, orange, red, etc. But I'll leave it at blue for now. So the way this works is at this high level view, every row is one of the patients and the columns are the type of documents. What we can see here for the third patient down is that under CareWeb documents, one note out of 25 mentions the word shingles. So if I want to see more details about the CareWeb documents for that patient, I can click on that cell and drill down. Then I get to a view called Summaries. A summary is a short snapshot of the notes for the patient. In this case, every row here is one of the CareWeb documents for that particular patient. I can actually click on any of these rows and actually read the notes, so it brings in all of the notes for the patient. But for the notes that it found one of the search terms, it will show a short text snippet or summary of what it found. So here I can see where it says History of Shingles. If I want to drill down and see that further, I can click on that row and get to the note itself. So in this case, here is the actual note with the term highlighted down below. If I want to go back to the list of documents for that particular patient, I click on Summaries. And if I want to go back to that main table, in this case we're calling it a heat map, I can click on that heat map button up here, and that takes me back to that main heat map button, or that main screen that shows me the grid.